You know, though, I didn't know the whistle worked. I don't remember the sound of steam working in that one. And if you're wondering how come it's stopping, it's because I'm down here flipping my switch. That goes from AC to DC. That's back on AC. And it won't do anything if there's just AC and it running. It won't do anything. But when I flip the switch the other way, it works. I've had this for several years and thought it didn't work. Just swore it didn't work. That's pretty cool. Anyway, that's Lionel's 8206 with the mighty power and mighty sound of steam. I'll tell you what, they've come a long way with rail sounds and legacy and everything else, but I'll take it. Y'all have a good one.